Okay guys, so just going through the technique. So from training the left side, just going to be putting some pressure or leaning onto this left hip first, and the left hand can just help support yourself. This leg here, this lower leg, we want this femur to be roughly in line with the chest, and I'm going to have the knee roughly about 90 degrees. I'm then going to bring the opposite foot so it's just in front of that lower leg, keeping the foot flat onto the floor. From there, I'm literally just going to lie to the side. From this position, making sure that we've got the elbow directly underneath the shoulder and the palm is down. So from here, I'm just going to create a slight bit of posterior tilt in the pelvis. So just rolling the pelvis back, making sure that we've got that rib cage down. So from this position, we're going to be putting pressure into the floor through the elbow and the forearm and the hand. And we're going to be crunching into this left side. So we're raising up here, so crunch up, maintaining that position. We're then going to bring the opposite arm straight up towards the ceiling whilst keeping the thumb turned out. We're also going to rotate the head so you're looking at this hand. From this position, going to be making sure that we've also just got some rotation happening on this right hip as well. So we're going to bring this right hip out to the side, making sure that the foot's still flat onto the floor though. You should feel the right hip engage, and then from here we're just going to bring the opposite hip up towards it as well. So this left knee comes up towards the right. We're going to maintain this area here, pushing away from the floor, and that's when we're just going to cycle the breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Every time you breathe out through the mouth, that's when you're going to push away from the floor, reaching long and also crunching up. Whilst you're going through everything, just making sure you're not shrugging up with the shoulders, try and keep them down. So it's as simple as that. Any questions, let me know.